Okay, we've finished our grafting and it looks pretty good. So now what we're going to do is get rid of our waste yarn. So I'm going to take some scissors. I'm going to carefully snip our contrasting waste yarn and just get rid of it. So as you cut the contrasting waste yarn away, the other color of the waste yarn should just come right with it, unless you've accidentally stitched through the main color of waste yarn. Sorry, not the main color of waste yarn, but the other color, in this case the brown yarn. That's not the end of the world. What you have to do in that case is just cut both the contrasting waste yarn and the other color of waste yarn free from your main yarn, being careful not to cut the main yarn. You just work your way down. Like so. Alright, we'll cut this other side free so that we can turn this around and see how it looks. Now, if you have done the graft and you look at it and you feel like you made a mistake, you're not happy with it, remember, before you cut the waste yarn out, you can actually just go ahead and undo your stitches, your grafting stitches, and redo them until you're happy with them, because all of the main yarn stitches will still be held in place by the waste yarn. They're not going anywhere. So, let's see how our lace looks without the waste yarn, and that's looking pretty good. Looks to me like the yarn overs are lining up, the knit togethers are yarning up, and even the edge, once you work in those ends, is going to be, it's going to be very difficult to tell where your graft was.